Morning, Sister Carolina, Teacher Sabrina. My name is Eldina. I will present about my project about family's favorite fruit. My family. Brother, apple. My mother, orange. My sister, strawberry. Honey, Rex, nanas. Thank you, Sister Carolina, Bu Sabrina.